Everyone, how's it going? It's Thomas back at you with another video. And before I jump into today's video, I want to kind of give a bit of a shout out here to a new thing that I'm starting on my channel, or a new series which I'm attempting to start. I uploaded a video on it yesterday. It's kind of financial news bites, small broken up stories, a little less in depth, but more topics covered. Let me know what you guys think of those. I want to get your input. I want to get feedback, see if it's something that you would be interested in me continuing, or if it's something that uh, you don't have as much interest in. I always want your feedback and I want to know what you guys think. But without further ado, let's jump to the main story today, which is AMC, the one and only. So, as us investors are aware, AMC has been experiencing somewhat of a price jump and a drop. It's been very up and down in the past couple days. And, I'm still advocating for the hold strong and for sticking with it, sticking by it. We're going to see it get to the moon. I just wanted to give some of my input here as to what I think might be happening in the near future and what we can expect going forward. So obviously their quarter two results close today, not Monday, but that is today. And, there is concern by a lot of people about if it's bringing in enough money and if it's like being sustainable as a stock and as a company. And honestly, I'm going to say, like, I think they're doing a great job, because let's think about it this way. We were in the middle of a pandemic, give or take, and we were still kind of heading out of it when AMC started experiencing the short squeeze. People were not really going to the movies at that time. We're only starting to get back into it. And so the fact that it was able to hit a the high price that it did during that time is honestly very impressive and very telling of the people who are investing in the company. It's very telling that, okay, if this company is not necessarily able to conduct its work because of various circumstances, the people who are behind it are still going to invest. They're still going to stick with it. So if it's doing well when it's not even able to perform at full capacity, imagine how much better that it will do when it starts opening up its doors all across the country and it starts bringing in full production again. Now, obviously, I'm not blaming AMC in any way here. I don't. It's a very unfortunate circumstance as to how everything went down and how we all had to go into lockdown. But the fact that they were able to hold out and grow as a result of this is very impressive, in my opinion. And so, I think going forwards, I am expecting a jump. Like, obviously, we're going to be hitting that 100K, but I think that once AMC itself starts getting the ball rolling again internally and starts adding actual value into the stock more so than it already has, then we'll start seeing those price increases and we'll start seeing that 100K slowly being reached. Now, it's going to take time, and that's why it's very essential that there's a hold and that people do not sell on it. But at the same time, you've got to be patient with this. And, I'm aware that there's a lot of maybe hype being lost behind AMC for various reasons. And, it's always the silent majority that has somewhat of a surprise attack, if you will call it that. It's always the people who are sitting quietly in the back who know what's going on behind the scenes. We know that it can reach 100K. We all know it. We just are not going to be screaming it from the rooftops till it reaches 100K. There's no need to speak the already known. If we all know it, we're all in on it, and that's what counts. And so once the movie industry starts picking up again, I'm expecting a pretty quick jump up in the stock price. Now, everything is to be determined. These are all my opinions, and obviously I've read some things from other people on what they think of this. So this is not financial advice, but I simply want to give an update onto like where I stand on this and where I think it's going. It's exciting to see that the everyday investors are able to get behind a common cause. And so I'm really excited to see what we can expect in these next couple months. Obviously, we're kind of just getting out of the woods as far as just the movie industry as a whole is concerned, but I think we can expect some really great things going forwards from this. And, again, we'll have to see, but let me know what you guys think below in the comments. Let me know if you are still holding out, if you are excited to see what exactly is going to happen. Let me know if I'm maybe off, give me your feedback. I want to hear it from everybody. And as always, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe for future content. And I will see all of you guys again in the next video.